Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian. So in today's video we are drafting a standard size chart. People have been requesting for this size chart. When I drop the one for babies, I have the one for children. Okay, so this is an adult standard size chart from size 6 to size 26. Okay, if you are into already to wear, or you want to start your already to wear business, you don't know how to draft your standard size chart, I have made a compiled standard size chart that will help you. I've listed all the actual measurements that you need. Okay, even if you don't have your customers measurement, you can draft that from here. So this is for those that want to start your ready-made wears. So here I have UK size 6 to UK size 26. Okay, so for UK size 6, you can decide to just write it as extra small. For UK size 8, you can decide to write it as small or medium. For then you can write as medium or large. It depends on the way you want to just draft it. But for me, I make use of size 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. So when you make your dresses, your customer must see the size that he or she will, she will fall to. Okay, this for ladies wear. So yeah, I have my bust measurement, waist measurement, hips, lap, round sleeve, shoulder, short gown length and long gown length. So we start with the bust measurement. For size 6, we'll have bust measurement of 33. For size 8, we'll have bust measurement of 35. For size 10, we'll have 36. For size 12, we'll have 38. For size 14, we'll have 44. Okay. For size 16, we have 45 to 46. That's the bust measurement, 45 to 46. Then for size 18, we have 47 inches. Mind you, all these measurements are in inches. Okay, so for size 20, we have 48 to 50. For size 22, we have 51 to 53. And for size 24, we have 54 to 56. And size 26, that's the last, will have 56 to 57 inches. So this is the standard bust measurement for all these sizes if you're making your already to wear clothing. Okay, so the next measurement we'll have here is the waist measurement. Okay, so for size 6, we'll have a waist measurement of 25 to 26 inches, meaning you can use anything between 25 and 26 inches. Okay, so now for size 8, we'll have 27 to 28 inches. For size 10, we'll have 29 to 30. For size 12, we'll have 31 to 32 inches. For size 14, we'll have 35 to 36 inches. So for size 16, we'll have 38 inches. For size 18, 40 to 41 inches. For size 20, we'll have 43 to 45 inches. For 22, we'll have 46 to 48 inches. For size 24, we'll have 51 inches, and size 26 will have 52 to 53 inches. So these are the standard waist measurements for all these sizes. So the next is the lap measurement. Okay, you know your lap measurements when you are making trousers, you are making your jumpsuit, you have to actually know the actual lap measurement, and you know that your lap measurement is divided by 2, not like other measurement that you divide by 4. Just for like says 36 will have 23 inches for that measurement. When you divide by 2, it will give you 11.5 inches. So just like your round sleeve divided by 2 as well, and not like your hip measurement or your waist measurement that you divide by 4. This lap measurement, your round sleeve or your shoulder, you divide by 2. I know you're conversant with this. I'm just trying to explain for those that are starting newly, beginners. You have to be beginners friendly. I make sure all my tutorials are beginners friendly. Guys, I also have size chart for children in case if you are into children wears or you want to start your children wears. Please go ahead and watch the video. So the next lap measurement will be taken is size 8. For size 8 we'll have 23 inches as well, just like size 26. For size 10 we'll have 24 to 25. For size 12 we'll have 26 to 27 inches. For size 14 we'll have 27 to 28 inches. For size 16 we'll have 29 to 30 inches. For size 18 we'll have 30 to 32 inches. For size 20 we have 33 inches. For size 22 we'll have 33.5. 24 will have 34.5, and size 26 will have 36 inches. So these are the standard lap measurements when you're taking your all ready to wear. So the next measurement to be taken is the round sleeve. Okay, for round sleeve we'll have size 6 to be 12, size 8 12, size 10 13, size 12 14, size 14 16, size 16 17, size 18 will have 18 to 19, size 20 will have 20 inches, size 22 20.5 inches, size 24 21 inches, and size 26 will have 23 inches. Sorry. So the next one is the shoulder measurement. For size 6 we'll have 14, size 8 14, size 10 14, size 12 14, size 14 16, size 16 16 as well, size 18 16 as well, size 20 17 as well, size 22 17 as well, size 24 18, and size 26 19 to 20 inches. So these are the standard shoulder measurements for all these sizes. So the next one is the hips measurement. For size 6 we'll have 36 to 37 inches. For size 8 we'll have 38 to 39 inches. Size 10 will have 39 to 40 inches. Size 12 will have 41 to 42 inches. Size 14 will have 44 to 46 inches. Size 16 will have 47 to 48 inches. Guys, follow my voice over if you are not seeing this very well. For size 18 we'll have 48 to 50 inches. For size 20 we'll have 52 to 55 inches. For size 22 we'll have 56 to 58 inches. For size 24 we have 60 to 62, and size 26 will have 63 to 65 inches. Okay, so now the next two remaining is your short gown length and your long gown length. If you're making your boo gown, your corporate wears, you know, short gown is the mid wear, like from shoulder to knee. Okay, and your full gown for size 6 for short gown will have 36. For 8 we'll have 37, 10 will have 37 as well. For size 12 we'll have 38 inches. For size 14 we'll have 38 inches. For size 16 we'll have 38 inches. For size 18 we'll have 40. For size 20 we'll have 40. For size 22 we'll have 42. For size 24 we'll have 42 to 43, and for size 26 we have 44 to 46 inches. These are the standard short gown length for all ready to wear clothes. Okay, so now the next one is the long gown. You know, long gown can be full gown or it can be let me say it's full gown. Okay, if you're making your boo your corporate or anything long. So for size 6 we'll have 56 to 59 inches is okay. So for size 8 59 to 60, size 10 61 to 62, size 12 will have 63 inches. For size 14 will have 64 inches, 16 will have 64 inches as well, 18 will have 64 inches, 20 will have 65 inches, 22 will have 65 to 65.5 inches. For size 24 will have 65 to 66 inches, and size 26 will have 66 inches. So these are the standard measurements for all these sizes. So the last measurement I would have added is the armhole measurement, but There's no need of adding that. You calculate your armhole. Okay, so now how to get your armhole is your bust measurement divide by 6 plus 1.5. Just for example, if you are working with size 6, the bust measurement is 33 divided by 6 will give you something like 5.5, I think, plus 1.5 will give you 6.5, and that's your armhole. Okay, so you calculate that for every other sizes. If you are working with size 8, you divide the bust measurement of size 8 by 6, then add 1.5, and that will give you your actual armhole. So guys, if this video is helpful, help me like this video, subscribe and drop a comment. See you next time. Bye.